Hailstorms can cause various types of damage to vehicles, including minor dents, significant dents, and even cracked paint. Learn how to assess, repair, and prevent hail damage, from minor dents on your car's hood to larger impacts on the roof and trunk. To assess the damage, car owners can inspect their vehicles manually or seek professional evaluation using specialized equipment. Filing an insurance claim involves photographing the damage and obtaining multiple repair estimates to ensure competitive pricing. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is favored for minor dents as it preserves the original paint, is cost-effective, and offers quick turnaround times. However, traditional dent repair involving body filler and repainting is necessary for more extensive damage or when the paint is cracked. For damaged windshields or windows, replacements are recommended to maintain the vehicle's safety. Preventive measures include using covered parking or hail protection covers and staying informed about weather alerts. When choosing a repair shop, it's important to select one with experience in hail damage, relevant certifications such as L.L.C, and warranties on their services. Addressing hail damage promptly can restore a car to its original state, ensuring long-term durability and aesthetic appeal. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.